Hey guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to a new video. So this is a long overdue brand review on the Some By Me products. So originally I was going to do a 30-day miracle starter kit review that has these following 4 products like the cleansing bar, the miracle toner, the miracle serum, and the miracle cream, which you can see on the screen. But I also did added 2 other products that I ended up trying afterwards, so this ended up being quite a long review. And also I was actually looking for a new skincare routine a year ago, probably 2 years as well, so I have been trying a lot of skincare products, but then I had a massive breakout. I think I mentioned that before. But then last year around this time, my skin was having another breakout, and it was quite overwhelming for me because I was never the type to really experience such skin concerns like this. So I, looked for a product that would help me soothe my skin, and I came across this brand and I started off with the miracle toner. So after using it, I started seeing some results, and then I figured I'd try the other products from the same line of the brand so I could see even better results. Starting off with the 30 Days Miracle Cleansing Bar, this works as an exfoliator that leaves the skin cleaner and more radiant. It has pore care, brightening, and moisturizing benefits for the skin, and basically the way I would use this is just lather it in between my hands, and it lathers really nicely, so you don't really need a lot. But at this point I barely had anything left from the soap, but it still lathered well, and I would just massage this all over my face and just try and get as much impurities and dirt and dead skin cells removed. And I would then follow up with a second cleansing step, but I would use a cleansing foam instead. So onto the 30 Days Miracle Acne Clear Foam. This is a all clean foam that eliminates the cause of acne, and it helps relax your skin by catching sebum and pimples inside your skin. So I would only need a small amount of this, and I'm being extra here, but I enjoy using this cleansing tool for me to just deeply cleanse my skin with this foam. And as you saw earlier, I only needed a small amount because this actually foams up and lathers really well, so it gets really foamy and bubbly. So you only need a small amount, and it really helps clean your skin without drying out your skin or making it feel too tight. There's a lot of moisture and it's not irritant on the skin as well, so it has a perfect balance of leaving your skin very clean and very moisturized. Next is the 30 Days Miracle Toner. So this is a everyday friendly exfoliating toner, and it's also low pH balance, so it's suitable for sensitive skin, dry skin, and oily skin, basically all skin types. So the way I would use this product is right after cleansing, I would saturate the cotton pad and wipe this along my face. If not, I would probably just pour it onto my hands and pat the toner. It just depends, but usually I do use a cotton pad just to remove leftover and excess dead skin or dirt that might have not been removed from the cleansing, especially when I'm wearing makeup, so that's what I do. And what I love the most about this entire line is that it has AHA, which refines skin texture and increases skin firmness, BHA that contains ingredients to elevate symptoms of acne-prone skin, and PHA that moisturizes skin and removes dead skin cells without irritation. So this is great for those who are looking for an entire line from one brand that can help change the way your skin may appear, whether you have very sensitive, dry skin, oily skin, or very troubled acne-prone skin. So as you use all the products from the same line, the results are a lot more better in my opinion. Next is the 30 Days Miracle Serum. So this is my favorite product from the line. It's my favorite step overall in this entire routine. First, you have to make sure you shake the bottle well to allow the oil layer and the serum moisture layer to mix, and I would then drop and apply 3 to 4 drops onto my face, mainly targeting towards the areas that are more sensitive or troubled, and then I roughly massage the product to just distribute the serum, and then for a good minute I'm literally patting my face down just to help the serum absorb deeper into the skin and just to allow it to help treat my skin a lot more better and deeper. So that's basically how I apply it and use it. And all the ingredients for the products of this line, it's great for pretty much all skin types. So it has tea tree water leaves, it also has Centella asiatica extracts, and it also has whitening and anti-wrinkle ingredients, and again it has the AHA, BHA and PHA ingredients. So I love how this serum just leaves your skin looking very plump, hydrated, and very gloss skin like. So the highlight points of your face are glowing and I love it. The 30 Days Miracle Cream is the final product from the actual 30-day starter kit. And what I love the most about this moisturizer is that not only does it moisturize the skin, it also creates a stronger skin barrier. It also repairs the skin and it also soothes the skin. So I will just squeeze out a decent amount of moisturizer. I use all these products as a routine both day and night as well, by the way. I would roughly apply the moisturizer, blend it out, and then pat it for another minute just to help it hydrate deeper into the skin. And overall, within the 30 days that I was trying these products out, I noticed a difference in my skin. One, it started getting a lot more clearer. The appearance and the texture was a lot more smoother. My pores were starting to get smaller. My skin was getting less oily throughout the day, and overall my complexion was a lot more radiant and glowy, very gloss skin like, very plump, very moisturized, and just the whole look of my face was, you can just tell that I was taking care of my skin very well. And I feel like if you use these products more in the future after the 30-day trial, you would see even more better results of your skin clearing up. But within the first 30 days, for me, the results were quite slow, but it could be different for other people based on their own experiences as well. So I think, again, I would try these products out when my skin is in need of help. And the final product is the Calming Sun Cream, which has SPF 50 and PA++++. That's 4 pluses. So here in this little demo, I'm just showing you that blending it out on the back of my hand, it does not create a white cast. So for someone who has, a deeper skin tone like myself, there's no white cast, and I am really pleased with that. The overall finish of this is quite matte sometimes as well, so it just had a very nice, thin, well protected layer of sun protection onto my face. And as you can see, I roughly apply this and pat this for almost a minute, and then I would move on to my makeup, or if I'm not wearing makeup, that's basically it. And yeah, don't forget the neck as well, sun protection every day. And now that I'm done with the 30-day trial kit, I'm still using the cleansing foam and the sun cream, and who knows, maybe in the future I might use the other products once again. But for now, I'm glad I was just able to see some results happening within the 30 days, and I would definitely recommend this to those who are looking for a new skincare routine. As for now, here's a little skin update. So I still have acne scars and I still break out every now and then, but overall I feel like my skin is well maintained, and I don't break out that often, but every now and then it does happen, like I said. So that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.